Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us. Okay, Bobby, we're expecting a very chilly morning.
Yeah, we had 40s and 50s this morning. We're going to do it again tomorrow, but maybe add 2 degrees to it. So not a whole lot. It's still going to be chilly. Still tough for me to convince my kids to put on a sweatshirt before they went to school this morning, but they won't really need it in the afternoon. But the cold air, you can kind of see it sitting across most of the central and eastern half of the United States. 32 in Wilmington, North Carolina, which is typically relatively warm by the water. 48 in Jacksonville right now, and 72 in Key West. Pretty good little spread coming down the southeastern states. Right here in the state of Florida alone, we have 72 in Key West and 38 in Tallahassee. It is cold out there this evening, I should say. But you can see the rain is finally pushing to the south. The clouds that we had today that really just held on most of the day from Tampa southward had more sun to the north. They are now starting to thin. I think we'll start with a little bit of cloud cover tomorrow, then we'll see more sunshine by the afternoon. It's 52 right now in Crystal River, 63 in Tampa, 64 in Sarasota. Obviously, all these numbers are dropping. Not a lot of wind. It's not going to feel too much cooler out there. Winds basically will go 5 miles per hour or less overnight tonight, and then northeast and northwest winds only around 10 miles per hour for tomorrow. But the air is drying out. And in fact, the lower this number is the dew point, the lower the air temps are going to go. We're thinking mid-50s for Tampa. Look at those 36-degree readings up there for dew points in Tallahassee. That's why they're so cold. All right, here we go. For tomorrow, a little bit of clouds in the morning. That's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's a gorgeous day. Get your sunglasses ready to go. Going to be a beautiful afternoon. You know, we're adding just a little bit of time to the sunsets in the evening. So you're not going to notice too much, but you will over the next couple of weeks. This is Thursday morning, 5:30 in the morning. There's a weak front coming through. You can see the winds picking up. The models saying maybe a stray shower can skirt the coast. Indian Rocks Beach, 5:30 in the morning for most folks to get up, and then towards Anna Maria Island around 7 in the morning, 7:30 or so. That's it. Most of us will not see rain on Thursday, and I don't even know if that will happen, but that's going to be a small chance. So I'll keep you updated on that. There's Thursday afternoon, more sunshine, but a reinforcing shot of cooler air. So it's going to keep our temperatures below the average of 75. I mean, tomorrow we wake up in the 40s, northern Pasco, Hernando, Citrus County, 51 in Land O'Lakes, 55s from Clearwater to West Chase to Carrollwood to Tampa, 58 in Sarasota to start your Wednesday. And then look at this, lots of sunshine. I think close to 70 for Tampa, but Pasco, Hernando, Citrus probably staying in the upper 60s again for tomorrow afternoon, 68 in Clearwater for a high there. And even St. Pete's going to struggle to get to 70. So we are looking pretty warm. Is it? There it is. Brooksville, Courtney saw that 6-7 for a high temp.
I was just hoping that you had removed
in
all
Brooksville.
Those.
Look, we've ruined it for the kids.
Yeah,
you know, that's if there's anything you don't want them doing, you just say it yourself, and they'll stop using it. Northeast winds to the northwest at 10 knots. Light chop out there on the bay for tomorrow. Finally, can get the boat back out. I think there's going to be a little residual swell offshore, but that even will be coming down too. Now, it's fun. Sunday's rain out there at the Bucks game is nothing like what we're going to see Thursday night football, but it will be chilly. Nice and dry, but low 60s into the upper 50s by the second half of the game. So, it's going to be cool out there, but dry all the way through. And in fact, it looks like even the weekend's dry. We're watching a small chance for a shower on Sunday, but even that's only 10% chance. Getting warmer, though, as we get towards Saturday and Sunday.